Hey, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to TTC Film Production Travel Channel. I'm Ryan, and today, we're diving into the vibrant city of Amsterdam. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, stick around for some insider tips that will make your Amsterdam adventure unforgettable. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our travel guides. Now, let's jump into the tips. First up, when in Amsterdam, do as the locals do, hop on a bike. Amsterdam is renowned for its cycling culture, and it's the perfect way to explore the city like a true Dutch resident. With dedicated bike lanes and bike rental shops scattered across the city, it's a convenient and eco-friendly way to navigate Amsterdam's picturesque streets and canals. While iconic sites like the Anne Frank House and the Van Gogh Museum are must-visit spots, don't be afraid to wander off the beaten path. Explore neighborhoods like Jordaan and De Pijp, where you'll find charming streets, local markets, and hidden gems that showcase the true essence of Amsterdam. You've probably heard about Amsterdam's famous canals, but experiencing them firsthand is a whole different story. Take a canal cruise to see the city from a unique perspective. Day or night, the views are breathtaking, and you'll gain insights into the city's history and architecture along the way. Pro tip: opt for a smaller, more intimate boat for a cozier experience. Amsterdam's food scene goes beyond stroopwafels and cheese. Dive into local delicacies like bitterballen, poffertjes, and Dutch pancakes. Venture into the street markets for a taste of authentic flavors, and don't forget to try the herring, a true Dutch delicacy. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. If you're visiting Amsterdam in spring, you're in for a treat. Take a day trip to the famous Keukenhof Gardens or the surrounding tulip fields. The vibrant colors are a photographer's dream, and it's a unique experience that captures the essence of Dutch floral culture. Amsterdam's public transportation system is efficient and easy to navigate. Grab an OV chip cart, load it up, and use trams, buses, and the metro to explore the city. It's not only cost-effective but also a great way to get around quickly and comfortably. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to navigating the charming city of Amsterdam. Whether you're immersing yourself in local culture, cruising the canals, or indulging in delicious Dutch treats, Amsterdam has something for everyone. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your own Amsterdam experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels! Thanks for joining us on TTC Film Production Channel. If you haven't already, subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.